Greetings. This video will cover the item sales history report. Uh, One way of using it, although a slightly more unconventional one. So let us go ahead and get started. Uh, Once again, you'll find it reports, end of month reports under item sales. Like all Eclipse reports, lots of different parameters to tweak with to get different results. Now, normally in times past, the conventional use of this report would be to try and find the items that a particular customer buys. But in this case, we're going to flip it the other way around, and we want to see not specific to a customer, but a product line, price line, and product-centric point of view. So we're going to do a report that's going to give us a particular item that any customer has bought within a particular line. So little different from the ordinary. So this is gonna be company wide. So all branches. We're gonna do a start date of. We want a good range of information, but not too stale. So we're gonna go back to 2023. So you know, 23 to currently, we're going to select the sales by the price line because we want all the items in the line. And in this case, we're going to do Lutron. So that's the price line name for Lutron. Okay, now we need some period column headings or else the report won't work. The usual common ones, quantity sales, GP, GP%. That's the information you normally would want. Okay, we're going to sort it. Since this is a product-centric report, not a customer-centric report, we're going to sort it by product. We don't need a secondary sort. This is going to be a product detail level. And all these parameters should be fine as they are. So we'll go ahead and run this report, send it to the hold file. Of course, we're going to do a generic cost, which is our cal cost, and go ahead and let that percolate. It's a pretty fast report. It usually comes up pretty quick. And the Phantom has warned us, report is done, so good. Now we can go to the hold file, take a look at it. Take a quick look here to see if the information is what we expected. Okay, and then go ahead and do our download. Once again, to our temp file, our favorite place for putting things. So IT sales, Lutron 24.1105. All right, and export as text to run through our converter program. All right, download successful. Now we can close all that. All right, here is our item sales conversion program in Python and Visual Studio Code. So go ahead and run that. Oops, I think I did that without debugging. Oh, yes, let's do start debugging because that would be stupid to run this without the debugger. So yes, last file path, pick number 2 for item sales Lutron. Runs real quick. No errors, very good. And then we get, let's go look at our temp here. And here's the source file. And here's the converted spreadsheet. And let's see, basic information here. So the item quantity for the period, amount of sales, and the cost of goods sold, which is all the information that we should need. So that's quick and dirty. Pretty easy to work with, not a whole lot of mess or fuss. Good luck.